No, don't laugh at me.
Should laugh at you if you failed.
Yeah, I laughed at her when she's 6 feet under as well.
That's not very nice to say to your girlfriend at all.
Yeah,
That's one of the nicest things he says to me.
she's a side bitch.
Building.
Well, you live to put up with it, don't you?
Construction complete.
Sell her on the streets. Got a couple of quid for her. Won't even make that.
Cannot deploy here. Cannot deploy here. Construction complete.
I just give you talk, Sam.
New construction options.
Drop in centre.
Oh, you evil bastards.
Hey!
Very nice little door.
How'd you know I went there?
Construction complete. New construction options.
I fucked up my build order now.
Building.
Below a factory. Who's orange? Is that...
Well, I hope it ain't that.
Is it? You orange, hat?
If he can't be. No, he's not. He's red.
He's not answering. I reckon he is.
No, Hat won't build his harvesters like that. You having a laugh? That's like disrespectful. Look at that. And now he's selling them. No, he's not red. He's definitely red.
It's a computer.
No, I thought it was orange. I thought I was playing really well.
Construction complete.
Yeah, right.
New construction options. Training. Building.
Oh, building.
Ready to go. Let's hit the front.
Yes, I play like a retard, yeah.
Position.
Don't get me wrong, the retard's doing well.
It's reckoning time. Protecting Kane's servants. Taking position.
He likes travelling miles to get to Tiberium.
Let's hit the front. Final destination. They'll have to reckon with me. Reckon right here. No one can stop me. Taking position. On my way. It's reckoning time. Protecting Kane's
Construction
servants.
complete.
We're on the
Insufficient
move.
funds.
Let's
Fucking
hit the
buzzers
road.
nearly got past.
No one can stop me. Taking position. No one can stop me. Let's hit the road.
Liquid death online.
Moving out. Reckoner. Let's hit the front.
Our tanks are yours. Kane's will be done. Forward. Liquid death online.
Marv assembly complete.
New construction options.
A force to reckon with.
Oh, I think I fucked up because I didn't laugh and stuff.
Deploying.
We hear the call.
We've got the rockets.
Enemy units sighted.
Rockets right here. Rockets this way. We've
The
got the
power is
rockets.
ours.
Find a good spot. We've got the rockets. Let's get out there. Over here.
Training.
Wheels of steel.
Liquid death online. The crystal moves with us.
We've got the rockets. Who are we firing at next?
Training.
Liquid death online.
Money is damn tight.
For Kane.
Yeah. It is on this one.
Liquid death online.
Building.
Tiberium trooper.
We've got the rockets.
We move.
Keep an eye out.
Liquid death online. Our tanks are yours.
Who are we firing at next?
Construction complete. Unit promoted. New construction options. Training. Training.
Rockets ready. Keep low.
Liquid death online. Liquid death online.
Their fucking ears will bleed.
Insufficient funds.
Strength in Tiberium. The crystal will feed us.
10 seconds behind schedule, really?
Oh.
Unit promoted.
Gavin,
Unit under attack.
his Redeemer just came out.
Oh.
You put your Marv out first, and about 30 seconds later I had my fucking Nemexy Pexy out.
Yeah.
10 minutes later, you had Gavin.
Gavin went more on Reckoners first though.
Yeah.
You just went fucking straight to your fucking Marv works.
Yeah, I always do.
Combat systems online.
Try a different tactic as well this time.
Yeah, I can tell. Looks pretty good so far.
Building a commando.
To go in your tank.
Under attack.
No, to go in my Reckoner.
What?
So when them zone troopers come in, he drops them like a sack of shit.
Is it?
Yeah. Let's get the Awakened out. I'll have them out because they can EMP.
Building.
This bike's ready.
Unit promoted. Construction complete.
This bike's ready.
Building.
This bike's ready.
I'm being overrun. Oh,
Construction complete. Under attack.
congratulations, the AI has finally built his Hexy Pexy.
Our base is under attack.
You know the AI's built his Exy Paxy. Fucking hell.
Look how many air platforms he's built, but he can't build nothing with them.
I think the AI is learning.
Building.
That's not good. It's the end of the world as we know it. The AI is learning.
End of the world and we know it.
Unit under attack. Construction complete. Our base is under attack. I move. Unit promoted. Onward to victory. Upgrade complete. Repairing. Cannot deploy here. Cannot deploy here.
Fucking Cal just called my my Redeemer Optimus Prime. What the fuck, like?
No, you're not playing Transformers.
Building. Unit promoted. Construction complete.
Also poor.
Bringing redemption. Repairing.
Love that noise.
What's that?
So sexy. The Sonic air attack from GDI. Fucking love it. Noise turns me on, man.
Oh dear.
What?
Construction complete. Unit under attack.
Gavin. Oh dear.
Shh. Hatter, don't jinx me.
Dear.
No! They're not getting through. I got it.
Just.
Oh my god.
There goes you some havoc.
Sam?
Training.
Their ears will bleed.
Training.
I need to build some more
Ready to go.
correctness.
No one can stop.
Enemy units sighted.
I think the AI's gone.
Destination.
Yeah.
The reckoning
Maybe not.
Strength in Tiberium.
Reckoner.
Tiberium
No.
field depleted.
Days they survived.
Away.
They are brutal. What do you expect?
End of the line.
The power is ours.
Them to roll over and play dead?
Yeah.
Liquid death online.
Training.
We've got the rockets.
Onwards to glory.
We've got the rockets.
Forward.
Invites ready. Who are we firing at next?
Enemy units sighted. Unit under attack. Our base is under attack. Building.
Invites ready.
Unit promoted.
Oh, they did a little bit of damage to your Tacitus containment building.
Repairing.
Oh, the dumps.
Training. Insufficient funds.
It's the end of the world and we know it. It's your fault. That's your fault. I'm gonna play my music anyway. Fuck this bullshit. I'm not recording.
Not just
Why isn't my whose fault?
Me singing that song. It's the end of the world.
I know something like that.
Yeah? Go, go! Let's go for a hunt!
It will be the end of the world if I manage to find £5,000.
Why? Oh no.
Enemy commander detected.
Fucking nut job.
Spectre online.
Ooh, money incoming! Commandos? What are they worth scrap metal value?
Worth a bit, mate. Is that my commando that just ranked up? Oh, my commando killed every single GDI commando that come. Is that the fucking enemy?
Enemy units sighted.
What the fucking orange is doing? He's trying to overlord Raft the fucking end of the map. Anybody want a tip? Gimbalex.
Commando detected.
Look what he's giving you.
Let's
What?
go to the crystals.
He gave you a spike.
Target acquired.
Yeah, he gave me one.
I feel lost out. Ooh!
Enemy units sighted.
Uh-oh.
You don't know.
Look what's on the battlefield.
Oh,
Active.
I think it's gonna die anyway.
Hidden death. Unloading. Fields.
Skeptical?
Enemy commando detected. Enemy units sighted.
Never done my door like this before, so I'll see whether I hold.
Should be able to hold.
Yeah, it's hard as Zocon, mate. On the last waves with them avatars.
Unit under attack. Unit promoted. I move.
Nice.
You're fucking Marv.
Operation engaged.
Mine?
Ready to strike.
Yeah, I've stopped him from firing now 'cause he's taking all the kills.
You want a couple of ball pups.
Training.
What for?
Stealth detection.
I'm on it. Got 4.
Your Echo.
Over. Must be Gavin.
It's Gavin's fault.
Fuck you, boys.
I can hear myself.
It's not me.
It must be.
I can hear Hatter as well.
Listen to the sound of my voice.
Follow my voice.
Orange is definitely dead. Nah.
Insufficient funds.
Okay, now look how many storm towers he's got.
You think? He's a turtle.
Building.
Tiberium is power.
I'm gonna lose the bunker, I know that.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, if you put a war faction near it, it'll repair it. So I've got a war faction in mind.
Hatter, you got a mothership. Fucking mad bastard, like.
Prepare for GG.
Cannot deploy here. Cannot deploy here.
Yeah.
Orange is protecting his Tiberian.
Protected.
Death comes silently.
Unit promoted. Unit under attack.
Now Chelsea. Into the darkness.
The fuck?
From above. Target quiet.
Can't deploy here.
Training.
Oh, deploy there.
Tiberium is the answer.
Insufficient funds.
Stealth and ready.
Was that the airwave? No.
Yeah.
Not the usual airwave, is it? It's not the rush wave.
Not yet, no.
Enemy unit sighted.
Can't have rail techers though, can I?
No.
Active.
Isn't it like an add-on or something in there?
They won't see us coming.
Like a superpower thing.
Not for the Zocom, it's not.
Death comes silently.
Cannibalized armor. Cannibalized armor? Cannibalized.
Sounds tasty.
Caramelized armor?
Yeah, GG to Orange. Looks like those things have got through. Zone troopers. Zone troopers.
You think? I don't.
The Tiberium will set us free.
No, I suppose not with all those towers. Oh, stone towers. Did they go for A as well? Yeah. Nice.
Bloody hell. He's entrenched.
Ready to strike.
That bunker, keeping that bunker alive makes this map too easy. $10,000? Yeah. Thank you. I think Blinky's gonna get eaten.
Unit under attack. Unit promoted. Our base is under attack. Repairing. Repairing.
Did you overlord draft the fucking bastard again?
Yeah. That's rush wave.
Now it's the rush wave, is it?
Yeah.
How much time have I got?
Training.
Not long, mate.
Enemy unit sighted. Stealth unit detected. Unit under attack. Unit promoted.
Rage Gen. Fight amongst yourselves.
Training.
2 more specters.
I'm ready.
Seekers, seek 'em.
Stealth unit detected.
What are we waiting for? Got it!
None shall see me coming. Hidden death. Moving out. Death from above. Stealth.
No.
Stealth and ready. Target quiet.
You laughing at?
Oh, orange. What? That's kind of clever though. Oh, the Hexy just went. Oh, I'd watch out for you, Hatter. The rush wave's gone over to you now. The stealth bombers have gone over to you.
Oh, lovely. Really?
I should be getting them soon now.
I've killed mine.
Let's go for a hunt. The future is ours.
Training. On hold. Cancelled. Stealth unit detected. Training.
Yeah, I'm ready. This bike's ready. Ride!
Building.
Now I've lost the bunker.
Construction.
I was a twat. Fucking had my mob firing, did I?
This bike's ready.
Stealth unit detected. Unit under attack. Unit promoted. Unit lost. Our base is under attack. Insufficient funds.
No one's gonna save you now! This bike's
Oh, I survived that.
I made a mess.
Build more bikes. Fucking.
Repairing.
Orange is definitely dead now.
This bike's ready. We're wasting time. Ready.
Our base is under attack. Unit under attack.
No, I don't want to lose that bike.
Let's go. Ride.
Combat systems online.
Yeah. Hit it. Got it. Let's go. Ready. Ride. Hit it. Ride. Let's go. Got it. Ride. Got it. Let's go.
Unit
Got it.
promoted.
Ride. This bike's ready. Go. Go. Ride. Let's go. Let's go.
Ha.
Ride.
Unit under
Let's go.
attack.
Come on, you little bastard.
Got it. Go.
What?
Got it. Ride.
You see what I'm doing?
Hit it.
What?
Go. Go.
Circling the fucking enemy and they're trying to get me, like. They ain't getting me because their attacks are timed, isn't they? They can't hit you unless you're staying still.
Got it.
Yeah.
Stealth unit
Ride.
detected.
Go. Go. Hit it. Go.
So I'm just damaging them as I go around. And I'm ranking as I go.
Got it.
Oh, you got a clip there.
Oh, son, I'm fucking general. Yes, come on, more damage. Yeah, oh.
Let's go.
What's incoming, Levi?
Titans. Very strong Titans.
Ride. Go. Go.
Fuck.
Hit it.
Rail tacked. Oh.
Got it. Let's
Oh,
ride.
class.
Hit it. Go.
Yeah,
Go.
class dismissed. I am done teaching today.
I'd get them back then.
Fuck yeah.
Hit it. Go. Go.
Building. Our base is under attack. Unit under attack. Construction complete. Unit promoted. Cannot deploy here. Building. Stealth unit detected. Construction complete. On hold. Cancelled.
I know.
Eh.
The ambush waves.
Titans? Pfft. What Titans?
On hold. Cancelled.
No
Building.
Titan come near me.
Titan fail.
Stealth unit detected. Insufficient funds.
Yep. Aren't you dead?
Is it?
Well, it looks like. There's Titans again through.
There's a lot of storm towers there.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. And they're not firing at the storm towers.
Unit promoted.
That could prove problematic.
How the fuck could he see surviving? Honestly. Time for a chain reaction.
I like your positivity.
You know what time for a chain reaction, don't you?
Yeah.
Construction complete.
You shall not pass.
Building. Construction complete.
Well, do you know what? I might even get my commando out of the bunker and let him C4 everything coming down the road.
Training.
Tiberium is power.
That blinky wave was pathetic.
Yeah.
Insufficient funds. Stealth
No,
unit
I love
detected.
your use of the fucking mothership.
It's risky.
Yeah.
It's very risky.
You're the only player I've seen ever do that. Like a signature.
Yeah, because it can kill everyone. That's why people don't do it.
They gave the craziest man on earth the craziest weapon the Squid could have. Fucking hell.
It's like giving a child a gun. You don't do it.
Oh no,
Jigsaw.
fuck no. Baby with a gun. Baby with a gun.
Stealth unit detected.
I don't know. I think it's finished now. Blinkies are causing havoc.
It's at this time.
The harvesters are going to be harvesting his Tiberium.
If you got an auto attack, yeah.
Our
What?
base is
On
under
mothership? Yeah. It's
Nice.
auto attacking the ground.
It's not hitting the centre of the road though, is it? No, it's hitting just off the road.
unit under
I'm happy with that.
repairing.
Okay, I'll adjust it slightly. Turn, bitch, turn.
Turn that fat ass.
Unit promoted.
Happier?
Stealth unit detected.
Better.
Just build a few turrets, there we go. Cause a chain reaction. Eh.
Yeah, nothing's going from that. Oh, fuck that.
Silos
You
needed.
shall not pass.
Like these orange is still alive.
That's nuts.
Yeah, but it's a turtle and he is brutal. It's a brutal turtle, that's why.
Training.
Yeah.
He hasn't got much left though.
Oh.
Training.
I wouldn't want to fuck with. I wouldn't want to fuck with that one actually if he had air.
Enemy units sighted.
Really? Sighted where? Up your ass?
Avatar.
Up your arse?
Oh, here comes the Marv waves.
Scalped and ready. Death comes silently.
On hold. Cancelled.
I haven't seen him yet.
Training.
I'm sure I've just seen them at the end then. Yeah, they are. Yeah, on oranges.
Yeah, but I'm saying they should beat me first.
Yeah, well, look, they've only just started going down oranges, so they'll be coming to. Yeah.
Yeah, it is timed nicely.
Hidden and dangerous. Taking position. Death from above. Stealth. Ready to strike. Like a ghost.
No, the most dangerous thing with the mothership is a general mothership.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Because it can fire, if it fires in the same place twice at the same time, it'll cause chain reaction.
What?
Fucking hell!
Look at the damage on that. It's fucking naughty, that is.
Naughty ain't the word. It's filth.
It's the sprint.
The ultimate war machine.
Look, that should have been a rare hit. Game over. Get the fuel tank.
Training.
Do you want my honest opinion? I don't even think I'm going to survive this one.
Really? That makes a change for you? Why?
Because I just know the way that I'm killing, the way that I'm damaging stuff now. It's getting too far down the road.
I did lose half my defences in this front door.
Scalped and ready.
Plus the timing's out of the mothership.
Kane's fury.
I can sometimes get that timing just perfect.
On hold. Cancelled.
Today is not one of those days.
I will crush them all. Stealth unit detected.
How can he still be alive? Oh, bloody hell.
Unit under attack.
I think he's brown bread now. The tripod's gonna have him.
Yum yum.
Come on, I'm doing some serious damage.
Oh look. Oh nice.
Whoa, them avatars are falling like sheds.
No, they're dropping like candy, son. Nice.
That's because I've started building zone raiders. And I've increased the scanner packs on them as well,
Oh, nice.
so they can detect stealth.
Attack. Unit promoted.
And I've got more force firing on the road.
Kane is all. Building.
Oh, it's getting closer.
Detected.
What is?
Mothership.
Oh shit. Yeah, that's got him. It's got him. That's it. It's gonna go in a minute. When they start going white.
Construction complete.
You killed the whole lot, mate. You killed the whole wave.
What?
You killed the whole wave.
That's amazing.
Stealth unit detected.
That'd be so cool if you got it to general.
You'll go to general because there's still more tripods to come. General tripods.
Our ally has been defeated.
Hooray! The AI finally went away.
Complete.
Oh, orange is gone.
It finally went the way of the dodo. Extinct!
My door is like a fucking firecracker porter.
That is a fireback high, isn't it?
Check the
Like
tripods
defences.
dropping for me. Nice.
Spectres will fucking murder them.
Stealth unit detected. Unit
I bet the avatars made it through now. You got plenty.
The avatars dropped easily. They're not even getting close. They're getting killed with the tripods. It's naughty, that damage.
The shock damage on my door is naughty. Shit, this time,
Naughty, naughty, very
like
naughty.
fucking like little ferrets.
How far is it off? Oh, there they are. Hello!
Go on. Ooh, oh,
Oh, he killed him.
no, it's
They fell over like limp dildos.
oh, you had them again.
Couple made it through. Then got raped.
Ooh,
Oh,
that was
bloody
a nice
hell.
cluster. Oh, he's general now.
Good. Uh-oh.
What? Look how fast he fires, but he's just he's like he's on crack.
Sometimes if it catches up with itself, that's the problem. GG.
Yeah, for you, mate. Yeah.
No, for everyone.
Sometimes it doesn't kill all of us. You remember that time it only killed you and left, and it was still 2 others that I was playing with.
What is wave 7?
This is the blinky wave. Blinky wave. I need to move my morph. Shit. Go, 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 go. He's got to go for all this shock damage. Friendly fire! Friendly fire! Put them back here. Got my snippers ready. Man. It's probably the best way I've done that door ever. With them zone troopers like that. I mean, zone raiders.
The snippers.
My snippers. I got my snippers ready a lot at the bottom. Nigel reporting, sir.
Nigel Longshot. Avatars like that.
Stealth unit detected.
That's it, boys.
Oh no, no, shit, I'm dead. GG, lads. It's Venom Wave! Oh no, I haven't got enough for this, I don't think.
Yeah, you have. You got it.
Not for the... It's the hammerheads that are lethal, mate, as well.
GG, lads.
Think higher?
The bastard killed off my zone troopers. I mean the Venom Raiders. Yeah, I got
Raiders.
enough, I got enough.
Building.
Just.
Stealth unit
Oh!
detected.
Mothership retreating.
You ain't getting that mothership out of there, nah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yes, I am.
Building.
Oh, nice.
She's done what she needed to do.
Construction complete. Cannot deploy here. Cannot deploy here.
You shall not pass.
I'm not losing zone raiders. They're getting put in my fucking armorer. You know you can repair GDI troops, Gavin, by putting them in the armorer.
Can you?
Construction complete.
Yeah? They come out fully repaired.
What?
Cannot deploy
Look at my armory near my war factory and my Marv building, yeah?
Yeah.
Look, there's one man in that zone troop, that squadron lot. I'm going to put him in, look.
Oh, I've seen it, yeah.
Yeah, watch when he comes out.
complete.
It takes about 10 seconds.
Oh,
there,
yeah.
Ooh.
there you go, look. Repaired.
That's
Fucking
cool.
dogs.
Cannot deploy here.
The thing about that airwave is they always want to attack the anti-gun turrets anyway.
Cancelled. Building.
They don't attack the building.
Oh, low power. I fucked myself
Construction
up on that.
complete. Building. Construction complete. Training.
Ready.
What is incoming? Something goes.
It'll be tripods next.
Silos.
I thought it was an airway for me, innit?
Go.
For you, yeah. For me, tripods.
Far off.
You're not that far off.
This bike's ready. We're wasting time. This bike's ready.
I gift you the mothership. Took some damage though. They did hit it.
Funds.
Don't know what hit it. I think the Venom's hit it.
Select target.
Nice, I stuffed my bikes.
Enemy units sighted.
Go.
Stealth
Go.
unit detected.
Oh, here we go.
Let's go. Go. Go.
Unit under attack. Our base is under attack.
Got it.
Unit lost.
Nice.
Unit promoted.
Uh-oh.
Repairing.
Oh, spaghettios.
Repairing. 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 Repairing.
Can we expect your attack today?
Oh, I think I'm dead.
Upgrade
No.
complete.
Oh my god, I survived that.
Repairing.
Oh,
Enemy units.
that is not funny.
Training.
Don't do that to me again.
Repairing.
The Brotherhood has entrusted Avatar.
I could take you out if you wished, Gavin.
No, you
I'll
keep
just
that thing away from me.
I'll just open a portal and take all my tripods to you.
No, you keep that big
Yeah.
thing away from me.
Ready. Right.
I wasn't going to give you a mothership. There.
Oh, okay.
Don't want to lose that. That's too important. Oh, bloody hell, Hexy Pexy. That's what's coming in. Brutal Hexy Pexy.
Insufficient funds.
GG, I think.
Construction complete.
What do you think, Levi?
For what, mate?
Brutal Hexy Pexy's incoming to you.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
At the same time, aren't they? No.
I doubt I
Enemy
got it.
units
There it
sighted.
is.
Building.
What's your fucking arm with? That's the question. Mothership versus Hexy Pexy. What will win?
I think the Hexy Pexy will win because it fires it here.
Yeah, GG.
Powered on. Yes.
What's it doing? What's it doing? Right, the blast readies.
Construction complete.
Oh,
Our base is under
sad
attack.
feeling.
Unit under attack.
Everyone attack! Locked it down. Locked it down.
I think Levi's going to win this. It's going to be a tie between me and Levi. Shit, look at the damage.
Nope, me. Hexy Pexy dead.
Victorious.
Yay, you did it.
Yeah. I killed mine first. I did.
Did you?
Yeah. I killed mine when the sonic boom come in.
Yeah, because he's just ahead of me.
Okay, now still got the best kill ratio.
You lost less.
Me?